Good morning everyone, it's Mr. Deep Sunar and today I will be doing a demonstration of my project, that is port scanner. I have mainly designed this port scanner with the help of the socket module, and also I have used the thread module which lets us to have different parts of our program run concurrently, and it simplifies our design. I also have used a model called Q in Python, which helps in implementing a data structure, and I have imported a PSY simple GUI tool that makes a GUI interface. So first of all, I have made the layout for the main GUI. In the layout, there are target IP address, start port, end port, target name, and scan. So now we have created the window as well as the scan history for the port scanner, and we have defined a scan.trace function which and it scans the IP, start port, and end port. If the port is not filled, it will give us a error message, which is an error handling in my port. And I have made the start port initiate start port and input initiate port +1 for, and as the scanner port, and I use the socket module. In the socket module I have imported the IP and the port number, and if the thread is true, then it will queue the IP address, and it will scan the range that is given, and if it is true, then it will scan, and we can also view logs in our simple GUI tool. So let me run it through how it works. So let's start the code. So this is our simple GUI tool. As you can see here, it gives us target IP address, start port, end port, and target name. So let's fill out. I will be doing this on my local host. So let's do it. So the local host address is 127.0.0.1. We'll start from port 0 to 1000 port, and target name will be localhost. Okay, let's scan it. So the code is right now running, and it will give us the result in a few seconds. It looks like it has given us our result. From here we can see there is port 135 and 445. Port 145 and 445 is Samba, that is our file system. So we have scanned our localhost. Let's see if we can scan anything other than that. So I'll be opening the command prompt. In the command prompt, I will ping google.com. It is ping. So as you can see, we get the IP of Google from here. So let's put the IP of Google to here. So let's copy the IP address. Okay. So let's scan it. It will take some time for it to scan. it looks like our result have been given to us. There are two open ports, 80 and 443. Port 80 is for HTTP and port 443 is for HTTPS, which Google mainly runs on. So I have told that in the beginning it will give us an error if we don't put anything. So it has given us as a error handling, and it is telling us there is an error because we have not filled anything inside the box. We can also view the logs from here. So let's view it. So from the logs we can see that we have two users, two IPs, mainly one that is localhost and Google, that we did simultaneously. We have scanned localhost two times. One was doing during the testing phase. So this is a simple GUI tool for port scanning that I have made for my second year. So let's look into our code for a few seconds. So this is the code that I have written for my port scanning project, and I have also made a report for it in about 3000 word approximately. So the main content I have for this project are there's an introduction page, a project objectives, a project problem statement, and the project features and functionality, the scope, the development, the design, testing, and the version control was done in Git. So this is my project, and thank you for watching it.